Ganun ka pa.
With traumas kasi, iba't iba ang response ng mga tao with that. Like for example, we've seen, well, with what you said, di ba? May a part of you natatakot mag-asawa, natatakot bumuo ng
Hindi
pamilya.
naman sa natatakot. Parang sa ano ko ngayon, parang hindi ko pinapangarap magkaroon ng
Parang
ganun.
it's not,
Hanggat wala kang settlement sa
uh,
buhay, ganun.
parang you're not ready for it talaga. Yung response mo sa trauma kasi is different for different people. So, for you, ayun nga, medyo ano siya, medyo last on your priority list. For some naman, it's on the top of their list, pero you wanna make sure na buo yung pamilyang mabubuo din nila. We respond to our traumas differently, and there's nothing wrong if ito yung decision mo on your end na ganito yung gusto mong mangyari with your life because of the experiences that you had, and hindi din naman natin pwedeng masamain or alam mo yun,
I-judge
i-judge,
yung
yes, i-judge yung ibang tao na gustong bumuo ng pamilya amidst the traumas that they
tsaka
experience.
kung gusto nilang pangarapin, okay lang naman.